Hello, beauties. Today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make this delicious pot of goodness. This is chicken coconut plantain sauce. The first time I shared this recipe, I received lots of reviews on how people enjoy this after making it. So if you're interested in knowing how to make this one pot dish that you can eat on its own or even pair with your side, see, guys, make sure to watch this video to the end because this recipe is so good and is a must try. All right, guys, let's just go right into the recipe. Into your pot now, you'll be adding in some vegetable oil. Once this is heated up, add in your well seasoned chicken breast. Just make sure you're using a boneless chicken for this. And for the chicken, I seasoned it well and I left it for 4 hours for it to marinate. I'll list all the ingredients I use for the marinating in the caption below, so do well to check it out. So I'm just going to stir this all together for it to fry. So you just want this to cook on low to medium heat. Guys, the next you'll be adding is your aromatics, and I'll be using my ginger and garlic paste and my green paste. The recipe is also on my page, the recipe for the green paste. So I'm just going to stir this together and allow all this come together. After about 6 minutes, I'll be adding in this coconut milk. Now to our plantain, we are using semi-ripe plantain. This is not overly ripe, it's just in between. I have already washed it, so I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to cut the plantains. You should cut your plantains in this shape. You don't want it very tiny. This is just perfect for this recipe. Proceed to transfer these into the bowl, and this is what you have. The plantain has been cut, but if you don't like sweet plantain, you can use the unripe one. That is totally up to you. But why not just try this? So I'm just going to pour these into the pot. I'll make sure to mix all this together because you want everything to just be properly immersed into the stock. Add some of your red onions now. Add in your scotch bonnet pepper. Add your salt to taste and your seasoning powder. Mix everything all together and cover this up for it to cook. Some minutes later, this is what we have. This is almost ready. So go on and add in your veggies. See, I use variety of veggies for that pop of color. Just use all the veggies at your disposal for this recipe because it also needs to have this very vibrant color in the sauce. You won't want your veggies to overcook, so make sure to reduce your heat at this point and stir everything to combine very well. In 3 minutes, this should be perfectly okay. So, guys, I'm just going to cover this up and allow this to just heat up. And you can see we are back already. So I'm just going to be adding in our corn flour slurry, and this is just a mixture of corn flour and water. This is going to thicken up the sauce and make it less runny. Stir everything all together to combine. You can see the sauce is already thickening up. The aroma coming from this dish is so satisfying. From the well seasoned chicken to the coconut milk, everything, the veggies, everything is just so perfect. See, this is one straightforward recipe you can just whip up in less than 30 minutes and everyone will love it. See, guys, this is so good and is almost ready. So I'm just going to make sure that the corn flour is not raw, and that is just it. We have this very delicious one pot dish. You can pair this with your side like white rice, and you can even enjoy it alone. It's so good. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point, and if you have enjoyed this recipe, please don't hesitate to tell me in the comment section below. And if you want more simple, delicious recipes like this, let me also know so I can bring it to you. When you try this recipe out, make sure to tag me. I would like to repost your videos. Thank you guys for watching. And please hit the subscribe button if you have not yet done that. Bye.